Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, but it often comes with intense cravings that can be both surprising and challenging to manage. If you're expecting and looking for ways to handle these cravings, you're not alone. Here are some helpful tips to guide you through this phase. First, it's important to understand that cravings are a normal part of pregnancy. They can be triggered by hormonal changes, nutritional needs, or even emotional factors. The key is to approach them with balance and mindfulness. Start by keeping a food diary. Track what you crave and when, as this can help you identify patterns and triggers. Once you know your cravings, plan your meals and snacks to include healthy options that satisfy your taste buds and nutritional needs. Hydration is crucial. Sometimes, what feels like a craving might actually be thirst. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day to stay hydrated. When a craving hits, try to wait it out for a few minutes. Distract yourself with a short walk, a phone call, or a favorite hobby. Often, cravings pass if you give them a little time. If you find yourself craving unhealthy foods, look for healthier alternatives. For example, if you're craving something sweet, try fresh fruit or yogurt. If it's something salty, opt for nuts or whole grain crackers. Remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally. Moderation is key. Allow yourself small portions of your favorite treats to avoid feeling deprived. Lastly, don't hesitate to discuss your cravings with your healthcare provider. They can offer personalized advice and ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Managing pregnancy cravings is about finding balance and listening to your body. With a little planning and mindfulness, you can enjoy this special time while keeping both you and your baby healthy.